Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely for ChatGPT and AI in general. Right now I'm working on a Blackjack game, and let me show you what I have so far. So I can just create a bunch of players, so I can say ASC of $100, and then I can create FDSA with $100, and once I say no and get through all the players, we'll basically draw random cards from the deck, and then it'll just say how many points you have. So now I need to figure out how to work with hitting or standing so you can get to 21 and stuff like that. So I need to create an infinite loop that will end once everyone either got 21, stands, or went over 21. So let's create another while true loop. Okay, now that we've looped through all the players, we need to actually do something with the player. So we can basically create an interface and a function that works with standing or hitting. So I believe now would make sense to create a hit function on the player, and standing would simply just be ending the loop for that player. So let's do that. So normally I can just insert a card, and that seems to work already, so I don't believe I actually need a hit function. So let's just try that out. So now I'll just check if answer dot equals hit. We'll just say player dot insert random card, and I need to pass in a card. So let's see how I originally was getting random cards. So I have to first get a card by drawing it. Now we can declare it right here. For some reason this is an unreachable statement. That's because this will probably never breaks, that's why. And then else. If you don't want to hit, I need to create a state for each player if they're standing or not. So let's create that right here. Player dot set standing true. Now the player will be standing. And at the end of the loop, let's loop through all the players. And then, so we need to first assume that everyone is standing, and then we just find if someone is not standing, and then we can declare it as false, and then not continue the loop. Let's say, I'll just say if all standing, just break out the loop. So now what this should basically be able to do is force people to just keep on drawing cards. But obviously this doesn't have enough functionality, because we obviously need to count up the cards, see if it's over 21 and stuff. So let's do that. Okay, let's test out the code. So I would like to add a player. Let's give him John, $100. Jane, you get $100. No more. So I have $5. I currently have 5 points, so I would like to hit. So I have 9 points currently. Now would I like to hit or stand for Jane? I currently have, I believe, 10 points, so I would like to hit. And I have 19 points. So here it should probably say how many points I have to make it more convenient, but anyways, I would like to hit again. I have 13 points. With 19 points, I would like to hit just to see what happens. I get a womp womp. And now for 30 points, I would like to hit, and I got an ace, so I obviously won 1 point. 14 points, I would like to hit, because why not? But I got womp womp. So obviously I need to do some more polishing up, but things seem to be working quite well already. I'm really happy with what I got so far. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hope you subscribe. Anyways, bye bye.